Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel for episode 2 of Trading Without Filter. So today I have two more trades to show you, but before let's see the results of yesterday. And let me tell you, it was really not brilliant. So the trade on Euro USD, I don't know if you remember, I was betting that we broke this trend line up on this side and that as a result, we would go up and shoot up. Let me just put this here so it will be clearer. So we had this trade going on here. So at the time I showed you the trade, it was pretty, I was pretty confident. We almost reached the target. So I think I took the trade, yes, right around here. And basically what happened is that there was a news at the time, which I didn't see. It was just German inflation numbers. I think I didn't honestly expect that it would have a big impact on the market. So I just took the trade anyway. And what happened is that, as I mentioned yesterday, I put my target just a bit up from that resistance on my terminal because there was just not too risk to reward. So I just went there. And here, if I did exactly correctly, the trade would have worked perfectly. We'd just touch my target. But of course, things never go as planned in trading. And look at this. This is just completely crazy. And I got stopped out like right away. And actually, I got a pretty big loss because this was a huge candle. So the spread also ended up killing my profit quite a bit. Yeah, so the same thing happened on the other trade. It was just a little different. And then the worst part is that I was right on this one. If it wasn't for the news, then we just went up to the target. But as you can see, we had first one big candle down. Everything just went up. So my basically 1 hour analysis was correct, except for little candle that I did not anticipate. And we just went there and got completely stopped out. No, that was this one here. So yeah, that's completely unfortunate, but these things happen. It's part of trading. And as you can see in the back testing, it would have been a win for the Euro USD, but it's clearly not anymore. Now let's move on to today's trades. Let's hope that they're a bit more lucky than this one. So we have this trade that is just a simple continuation trade. So we have here on USD CAD this continuation trade, which I just took because there is this support. We broke this support and we retested. So I waited for my little pullback here. When I saw that we broke through, I actually got my buy signal here from an indicator that I use. And then I just put a limit order here to get to the same level because the signal was on that candle, but I kind of missed it because I was too slow. So then I simply waited for a pullback here. I put a limit order instead of buying here because as you can see, if I would just take the trade late, then the risk to reward is absolutely catastrophic. And then I'm just going to target this area. I think there's room for more because as you can see, there's nothing above that in the past for the last few days. But this has been like some kind of a little high here, so I will just take this. That's for USD CAD. I think the trade has been taken because we retraced back to my entry signal, but it seems like it's not going in my direction anymore. So this one might be a loss. But that's okay because as you know, trading is just about statistics. And as long as I get some days where I win, then it will be okay. Okay, yeah, this one looks a bit shady. Let's see if it retests the support. There's a chance that it will kick me out because of the spread. So let's hope it gets better than that. And then we have this trade, which is on Euro USD. This one is a bit of a counter trend trade because we have a huge downtrend here. We've had this for a while now, and my bet is simply that because we had such a big impulsive move downwards, we're gonna have at least a little retracement because we didn't really have any pullbacks. So I think it makes sense on a higher time frame that we at least try to go to the 0.38 of Fibonacci, and it's actually even possible to go retest that support, which is also the 0.5 level. It would make total sense to me. But again, I see that this trend was pretty steep, but we have been crossing it. So this is the same trend line as I used from the start, like for this trade that didn't work. I left it there. I didn't touch anything. So I think there is a chance that we do this. We were on the support. We had a nice impulsive candle here that broke, then a retest of the support, and I got my entry signal here. So I'm not very greedy with that one. I'm just trying to reach that resistance level here. Obviously, we could even target here, but because there's such a strong downtrend, I think if there's a retracement, there's a chance that it just quickly retest this before going down again. And the thing is that we are also crossing this big level here, and we didn't retest it. So as you can see, there is almost nothing here, no price action. Here also there's this big wick, but it's likely that things will go very fast as soon as we cross this support. I put the arrow here because if we cross this, this will go down. So I'm just betting on a small retest of this level. This one is a bit of a riskier trade. I am not sure it will work out, so we'll see tomorrow. It could be that the trend just keeps going. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something new. The best thing to learn is don't trade when there's big news because you will get stopped out, even though you're right in your analysis. The market doesn't care. You'll just get stopped out, and then it's quite frustrating. But I keep my cool. I know trading is a long way, and this is just one of many trades that I take every week. So it doesn't really matter as long as on 100 trades I'm profitable, then it's the most important. So this is not financial advice. Of course, don't imitate me. Do your own research, and I'll see you in the next one.